How to log into IKEA Projekt Credit Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into IKEA Projekt Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for IKEA Projekt Card or Credit Card Login. Then you'll find this website called Bread Financial here, and also the website that is community.net. Head over to this one, and after you open this website up, you'll find IKEA's project login. So here you'll find the sign in option on the top. Let me cross that out. Tap on this sign in option, and all you now have to do is enter your username, whatever your username is. Then finally type in the password for your account. Then type in remember me to make your future login easier. Then tap on sign in to sign in into your account. If you've forgotten your username or password, you can tap on this option to retrieve it. And yeah, that's basically it guys. That's how you can log in into IKEA Projekt Card. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.